current electricity in the chapter 16th question. For wiring in the home, one use copper wire or aluminum. What consideration are involved in this? See, we are using copper or aluminum for wiring in our home connection because நம்ம conductivity பார்த்தோம்னா conductivity of silver is greater than copper, which is greater than aluminum. அப்போ நம்ம பார்த்தா best one is silver, but cost wise silver is more costly. That's why we are not preferring silver. Next one, copper and aluminum. Okay. Copper is also, compared to aluminum, copper is costlier than aluminum. அப்போ we are preferring these two things. அப்போ இன்னும் cheap போடுறோம்னா aluminum போடுறோம். What is the difference between using aluminum and copper? When we see the mass, length and area, we are taking same length and same area. Even though copper and aluminum are taken same length, but mass of copper will become more than that of mass of aluminum. So this also we can consider this. ஏன் consider பண்ணணும்? Mass of aluminum is lesser than mass of copper. So light weight இருக்கும் aluminum compared to that of copper. அப்போ ரெண்டு வேளை சொல்லலாம். Conductivity is more or less equal. Copper is best. அடுத்தது aluminum. We are using these two. Copper and aluminum is cheaper than silver. Silver is the best. So, but we are using copper and aluminum because cheaper. In these two, which is the best? அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா mass wise பார்த்தீங்கன்னா mass of copper is greater than mass of aluminum, even though both wires are having same length and area. Material மாறுறதுனால copper will have more weight, more mass.